2025 Jeep Compass. Are you prepared to take on both the trails and the city streets? Announcing the Jeep Compass 2025. This little SUV is tough, dependable, and full of personality. Just like your adventurous friend who's always up for an interesting road trip. The Compass is a vehicle that offers optimal off-road performance and sophisticated urban design, catering to those seeking the best of both worlds. Let's start by appreciating the external design. The 2025 Compass has an eye-catching, assertive design that draws attention right away. It retains the ruggedness of a traditional Jeep while sporting a sleek LED headlamp design, powerful fenders, and the brand recognizable 7-slot grille, which stand out in the crowd because to the optional two-tone roof choices, which also lend a stylish touch. You travel in luxury whether you're going to a coffee shop or a camping. Upon entering, you'll discover a cozy and adaptable couchage. The roomy interior features comfortable seating that keeps you relaxed on lengthy trips. It seems more sophisticated than the typical SUV thanks to the fine material and considerate touches. Additionally, there is a ton of cargo room for your groceries, outdoor equipment, and any upcoming adventures. Additionally, you can make the most of that room when needed, thanks to the rear seats. Built to fold flat, ideal for the last minute getaway to the mountains. Now that we have covered the technology, let's speak about how this car keeps you amused and connected. The infotainment system has an intuitive touchscreen that reacts fast to your inputs. It's easy to integrate your smartphone for music and navigation. Just keep it in mind, those curves and turns in the road are waiting for you.